Hello, my name is Willem Rens. I've been a scientist for many years, mainly in biology and genetics. However, I have a PhD in medical physics, so I have a little bit changed over the years. I also have been teaching for a couple of years. I'm a tutor for all sciences and for math, for GCSE and for A-level and IB. The people at Tutor Doctor are very friendly, but more important, they're also very experienced. They know how to link the right tutor with the right student to have the best result. What I most like about tutoring in schools with Tutor Doctor is that I can help those students to fulfill their potential, so they can excel.